Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the Hyperdrive 3-in-1 USB-C hub. I was able to exchange this at the store, which I had it before was 7-in-1 USB-C hub, but I find it hard to stick literally on the MacBook Air because there's somewhat a space and it doesn't really stick on the side of the MacBook Air, so it's kind of hard for me to take that. And also, when the plastic cover of the MacBook Air arrived, it even made it much more difficult to be sticked on because there was a space because of the plastic cover. And thankfully, I had it exchanged at the store. I'm glad about that. But I have to choose the one that has somewhat few slots in it. So this one are okay for me. The important one is the USB-A. So, and also the HDMI, which I haven't tried it yet. And so this is what I have right now. So let's begin. Okay, this is how the box looks like. Okay, I'm not a heavy user, so this is just quite okay for me, a simple one. So this is how it looks like. Oops. Okay, as simple as like that, a metallic and light one. It's in gray. I cannot find it in gold, so that's quite okay. I seldom use this. There's USB-C is here, and then HDMI, and then USB-A. So I have a solution, and then there's a light there if you're in use of it. I do not know if you can see it clearly. There's a little dot there. Okay, on the upper part of this word Hyperdrive. Okay, so I have a solution for using the micro SD card and the SD card. So I had this for long. This is in USB-A, and there are some slots here, like here. There's some micro SD on this side, and then here is the SD. So we'll just have to use this, and it's okay like that. So easy and okay. So that's my solution for that, and thank you for watching my unboxing of the Hyperdrive 3-in-1 USB-C hub.